Hello everyone, how are you? I do hope you're well. I've got some lovely Halloween necklace orders to go out today. They're just basic Halloween necklaces. I've run out of 16-inch chains. I need 16-inch. So I need to convert some 18 down to 16. So I thought I'll just do that with you. As you know, my channel is for those that are new to jewellery making. But I just thought I'd pop on, say hi, how are you? Now, if you're from the UK, are you enjoying this lovely rain and the thunderstorms that we've had? I'm not moaning. We really do need it. Can I just show you my earrings? Look. What do you think? Don't you think these are cute cats? Gosh, I miss my cats. I miss my pussy cats so much. Yesterday, somewhere not that far from me, they had 6 kittens. I mean, I don't really want a kitten, to be honest. I don't really want a kitten. They had 6 kittens. They were like £10 each, £10 each for them. I thought, shall I surprise Richard? Oh, I miss my kitty cats. Sleeping on your lap with you, especially in winter, keeping you warm. Come and make these cute Halloween necklaces with me. I'm wearing my Halloween bracelets. I've got my Halloween bracelets on today. I'll link the video above of these Halloween bracelets that I made. I think they're so cute. So let me show you these cute necklaces. These are the cute charms. Look at them. They're ghosts with smiley pumpkins. Now I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do also have some jewellery that isn't handmade. I just want to say that not everything is handmade by myself. We've got Christmas coming up. It's just me. I have a very small animal rescue. Once all the bills are paid, everything goes to help my fur babies. So please do go and check it out. If you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I will link everything down below for you. So these are the necklace chains, and obviously they're 18 inches in length. I've got some 6mm silver plated jump rings, and these are 1mm, so they're nice and strong. So I thought I would put them onto the black card. So here are 2 that I've already made. So I'm just going to show you what I did. So just take your chain. So they're 18 inches, so we need to cut off. So we need to cut 2 inches off. Just squeeze. Remember, keep that chain in a self-sealed bag, and you can always use them when you make earrings, dangle earrings, and put different things, hang them. You can hang different things on them or just have the chain. So where we've just cut, there will be 1 or 2 loose on the end. Just make sure the link on the necklace that there's no gaps. So I'm going to open the jump ring. Make sure the eye pin at the top is flat, instead of like this. If we were able to get the chain through, that would be fine, but because we can't and have to use a jump ring, we need it to be flat. So we attach the chain and make sure that chain slides and isn't caught up, and then we'll just close that one. And then when it's being worn, it will hang properly. And then we take this end, take a jump ring, open. It can be a bit fiddly. There we are. Close the jump ring. Make sure there's no gaps. You'll have an unhappy child if their necklace breaks. Okay. So then we just take one of our jump rings and we open them side to side. And thread that through the very last hole. It can be a bit fiddly if they are thick like these. There we are. And then close. Now you're probably thinking, why did I not just thread the chain through? The pins, these pins are not wide enough. Again, take another jump ring. So I'm going to open the jump ring, thread the charm, attach the chain, make sure it slides, not caught, and then just close them back up. So I'm going to pop it onto a black jewellery card. That looks better. That looks better. And they are so simple to make. So if you have got children, so they're great to make for Halloween, or if you do craft fairs. And we've got this one. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and as always, happy crafting.